She's sticking in the water. She's snorkeling because she won't go under. Daddy's way out there. Just kicked her off the boat. Chicken Little, you got a fluffy butt. Your butt stays fluffy no matter what. Eddie's gonna call you Chicken Little again. Yes, he is. Eddie needs to teach you to be one with the pond scum. Oh. You think Eddie can teach you to be one with the pond scum? Not gonna do it. Just as deep over there. Alright, Chicken Little. Everybody's seen you wading in the shallow end long enough. Nothing's gonna happen. Other than you're gonna get a bath. Woohoo! That's all, folks. I'm done.